Hello friends, my name is Mohini Sinha and I am an acrylic artist. Past 4.5 years, I've been painting acrylic paintings, especially landscapes. And I'm also an IT engineer and I've worked for many MNCs in India more than a decade. So now pursuing my passion as a profession. So, as a part of my creative journey, I thought to share my knowledge of artwork to those people who are new to in this field. This will help the new learners to learn different mediums. The whole class will be divided into steps by steps in which I will be discussing about the entire scenario, whether it is materials or techniques.
So, in this class, we'll be creating these beautiful pouches, that is the decoupage art which we'll be creating. So, one of them which I'll be showing you, which you can also use as an accessories bag or as your art bags, and I am sure you will love these. So, this is the bag which I'll be teaching, and these are some more which I have done in the past. So I hope you will enjoy these craft work.
So looking forward to share my knowledge and skills with you guys. Hope you will love it. So happy learning and thank you.